getting on my girls and yelling at them and carrying on. But sometimes you just have to sit back and realize that they're just good, and there's not a whole lot you can do about it. So, we did everything right. I'm proud of their effort, but, it just came to a point where they were just too much.
The Lady Stars will now move on to the Bedford North Forest Regional. They'll face the winner of the Greenwood Sectional in the second morning game. Game time is approximately 12 p.m.
Because I think it's a sectional championship game, we had some kids get rattled and didn't make shots, but that's part of it. I mean, it's a state tournament. I mean, it's supposed to be easy. No, and that's why I told the kids at halftime. I told the kids at halftime that there's going to be periods throughout this tournament where we're going to be tested. Our character's going to be tested because things aren't going to go right, and that was that's the way it was in the first half. But I thought we made plays the second half when we had to. We got some good stops defensively when we needed to. I mean, I thought they shot the ball well. But my hats off to them. I thought they played great. We played well enough to get it done.
You guys were struggling to score, and it looked like you decided, hey, that's enough. Let's go inside in the second quarter.
Yeah, they were just giving us open shots, and if the only way to score is inside, so much more inside is what I had to do.
4 for 4 at this level. That feels pretty good, doesn't it?
It feels great, actually. Was 3 or 4 for regionals and states and semi-states, but sectional is good too.